my name is Emily Raby. I'm a part of Kingdom Wife, Kingdom Life, and I was a part of a team of women that helped start it. It was a ministry to help women struggling in different areas of their life. I'm a mother of 3 girls. I share with my husband, best friend, Travis Raby. We met in the midst of our party life. So we had our first daughter unexpectedly. Once I had a daughter, something changed in me as a mother. Back then, I didn't realize I can create a relationship with God. I just went to church on Sundays and that's all I knew. So that's what I did until we met Ken and Tina. I'll regain myself. Ken and Tina have taught us to create a deeper relationship with God. And just recently in my life, I was living a hell, struggling with anxiety and panic attacks, pretty debilitating, that were triggered by a thing called optical migraines. In those optical migraines, I would have slurred speech, lose my vision, see flashing lights, all while trying to juggle being a mother. It was really, really taxing. The most challenging part for me when it came to dealing with my anxiety and migraines was I felt as though I got to the point where I felt as though I couldn't drive. I have another migraine episode and then I have my girls in the car and I have an anxiety attack. So that was the most difficult part, just feeling like I was on my own with my girls while my husband was at work and I had no one else to rely on. Being in this vulnerable state, I guess. And I felt like it was almost my last resort. I was holding my newborn baby, crying in my closet, just asking God to take this from me. Almost begging him, just there for 30 minutes, praying to him. As soon as I was done, I walked into my room and I started playing some worship music. And in that, I felt as though he was speaking to me directly. He was answering all my prayers and all my questions I had for him in that moment. And since that day, I haven't had one single panic attack or one single migraine. And it was as though he snapped his fingers and he healed me. And I'm not sure why I didn't ask sooner. I know that without Ken and Tina and learning how to create that conversation with God and just ask him, speak to him like he's my friend or my father, I wouldn't have been healed. I wouldn't have the tools to do that myself. I would say it's my encounter because I felt so truly touched. I almost fell to the floor. It was amazing. If I was asked what to do when it came to anxiety and feeling lost as a mother, I would just tell him to lay your problems at the cross and he will answer to you, and don't delay on that. Do what you can. Hang out in your worship closet like I did and just talk to him, and with that you will feel him touch you and just feel that relief, and it almost makes as though your problems are a little easier. I'm forever grateful for you, Ken and Tina, for everything you guys have taught me and my husband. You have truly taken our relationship with the Holy Spirit to the next level, and I'm still in the baby steps, but I know that I have a lot more coming and he has a lot more planned for us. If there's anyone out there struggling with anxiety as a mother, as just a woman walking through life here at Kingdom Wife, Kingdom Life, we have the resources, and if I could do it, you can. I'm just a normal girl just in my baby steps walking with Jesus, and he has truly changed my life already. So I just ask you, just give it a try. I know that's what I did, and I'm forever, forever grateful for that.